There's something special about homes that make living easy. Take this beautiful single-story, ensuite bedrooms, heated pool and spa in a gated community. This is Arizona living effortless, free and easy in Eagle Mountain. You're going to love this one.
Happier than ever, like I never thought forever was you. My skies are blue, dancing kind of weather, back together like I wasn't into. Thought I was doomed, but I moved through the heartache mood. I don't care what you do. I'm happier than ever, so much better without you. Without you, without you. Happier without you. Picking up the pieces of a dream. Every little thing learning how to let go of all the ways you believe. I was hurting, but you know what they say. Time's got a good way of healing. I'm back to feeling I'm happier than ever, like I never thought forever was you. My skies are blue, dancing kind of weather, back together like I wasn't into. Thought I was doomed, but I moved through the heartache mood.
Seasonal or year-round, Eagle Mountain has so much to offer. I'm Elizabeth Melikar with Sirhand, and I look forward to welcoming you home.
Without you.